Hi guys, welcome to the honeystocks.com daily analysis for 29th of July 2019. As you can see here, it's an analysis that's primarily based upon the cloud tech stocks. As I am recording this at the moment, there is a bit of a beatdown with the cloud tech stocks. So I just wanted to let you guys know, since you follow me so closely, just what I'm seeing out there. As always, please, pause the video if this is your first time coming across what I do. There's not any recommendations or any of that jazz. It's yeah, this is just information purposes only. Do your own due diligence and all the good stuff. And if you do enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up. Let me know if there's any stocks that you feel like should be on the radar. Just comment below. And if you don't like it, comment as well. But obviously, just to follow on from yesterday's video, there's obviously earnings coming up this week, and there's a few of the stocks in here that I'm going to be talking about. So at the end of this video, there's going to be a link to earnings season, how to play it, super successful strategy that you can implement come earnings season. I think most of you know that I don't like to gamble with the stock market. Very much educated, technical analyst. But just to again touch on the Fed are coming up this week, and I think what we're seeing today is probably just a little bit of profit taking from last week, and there's certainly caution coming into play just with potential for interest rate changes and so forth. Now, I'm very much a trader that's based upon price, and I'm going to run through 5 charts for cloud tech just to let you know the support levels that I see in the market. But as always, do your own due diligence. So first up, we've got this is MDB. Now, this is looking like it's testing the lows here today. So I'm very much watching the markets closely today. I'm not going to go jumping into new positions, and I think a lot of you like to go out there and buy the dip. I think when you have an understanding of sector rotation and with the run that these tech cloud-based companies have had over the last 12 months, it's been utterly incredible. A lot of them are in excess of 100% this year, and yet not all dips are created equal. And I understand that not everybody watching this has the ability like I do to monitor the markets all day, every day. I mean, this is just what I do. So I'm watching this level in MDB very, very closely. I've checked this just prior to recording this video, and it's actually dropped a little bit further. So provided that support level holds, which I feel like it needs to hold, you might want to give MDB a little bit of consideration. Again, Octa, a huge performer this year. This is a stock that many of my guys got alerts on last year, $50, I think $70, again at $100. This has been a top performer, and yeah, it just pays to understand what the key levels are. Again, if we break support here, that's probably not good news. So again, I'm watching Octa very, very closely just to monitor what happens there. Twilio, they actually report earnings this week, and again, cloud-based tech is being annihilated today a little bit. So again, you need to really just watch these levels, be aware of what the key levels are in the market. I would suggest that you might want to reconsider Twilio if you get a break below here. Certainly above 150, it's appealing again. Again, this is a stock that alerts went out for my guys around $100, I think it was. So yeah, just super cautious with the cloud-based tech at the moment. Zscaler is another one. Just watching this closely, see what happens. I am bullish above, I think $80 is the level. But again, if you are currently in the trade, maybe you're managing profits and so forth, again, I would just be watching this level. And then we've also got Microsoft. Now, the reason I'm really touching on Microsoft is it's really just to let you see that although we've got other stocks that have performed incredibly well this year, likes of Octa, IMDb, there's stocks like Microsoft that are still massively outperforming the market, and there's a lot less stress, that goes into trading stocks like this, and especially, managing the positions, I think. And it's really just to present an alternative. So maybe you're in one of the other four stocks and you don't like the volatility that goes along with it on a weekly basis. Then Microsoft is definitely one of those. They've just reported earnings, positive earnings by all accounts. So yeah, I feel like Microsoft should probably be added to your radar. Now, obviously, if this is your first time here, you're maybe thinking, what the hell is this? So, I'm Sam, and I'm currently registered with the CMT Association. I'm studying towards my CMT designation, which is obviously a big deal. And I also run honeystocks.com trading school now. Just probably, the first thing to say is I'm not a day trader. I couldn't think of anything worse than day trading. I've got a time horizon that's generally weeks and months for my trades. And, if I was to break it down into people that I can help, I think, if you fit into these 7 categories, I can probably help you in some way. Maybe if you're trying to trade around, a career or a business, if you want to move away from day trading, if you want better consistency, and if you want to actually learn and not just follow people. And if you want to be part of a successful group, then you might want to check out our website. Like I said, it's not for everybody, but absolutely, it's very, very straightforward. You can jump onto our website, just click on join, and then you can apply, fill out your details, let me know what you're struggling with, and we'll see if we can help in some way. But hope you enjoyed this very quick video today on Monday, and feel free to check out our video on earnings season, which is massively popular blog that I've just converted into a YouTube video. So thank you very much for watching, and maybe I'll speak to you soon.